effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Counties under this?
This watch includes the following counties: Lee and Williamson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Your local forecast. Tonight, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this evening, then clear after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. West wind 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Southwest 10 to 15 miles per hour. Becoming northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour after midnight. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Grimes County and southeastern Burleson County and southeastern Texas, southern Brazos County and southeastern Texas, north central Washington County and southeastern Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Somerville, or 13 miles southeast of Caldwell, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Carliff Station, Western Bryan, Somerville, Snook, Milliken, Lake Somerville Dam, Kylefield, Lake Somerville State Park and Treoe, Wellborn and Lyons. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Good luck.
Oh, shoot.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 46, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties:
KXI-56 went.
Colorado.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the
development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Your weather synopsis for South Central.
Yeah, they're going now. Request of the National Weather Service.
North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing new severe thunderstorm warnings for Rockwall County, southwestern Hunt County, southeastern Collin County, and northeastern Dallas County until 8:15. A severe thunderstorm is located in
Okay, that does not sound really good.
at 30 miles per hour, with 60 miles per hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail. The areas that may be impacted by this storm include Brighton, Richardson, and Marshall, Sunnyvale, and southern Bay, and Dixon, and also for southwestern Hunt County, southeastern Collin County, and northeastern Dallas County until 8:15.
So they're gonna stay on. Yeah, it's probably gonna stay on
East at 30 miles per hour.
Channel 4.
All Texas stations affected by this alert are supposed to relay the preceding message. Okay, live again from the...
Alright, WPAP just went. Yeah, I'll let y'all hear this.
Central Texas, Leon County in Central Texas, southeastern Limestone County in Central Texas, southeastern Falls County in Central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located just north of Cameron to west of Buffalo, or 18 miles southeast of Marlin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cameron, Hearn, Buffalo, Franklin, Calvert, Bremen, Centerville, Jewett, Thornton, Buckholz, Koss, Marquis, and Leona. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 152 and 180. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Thank you.
Alright, so that's KNCT that just went. Maybe next time I'll plug in a speaker and y'all can hear it better. PRH is going. Yeah, they didn't do like a little pre-roll, whatever it's called.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City, which has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County until 8:40 p.m. tonight. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located about 8 miles north of Anderson. Potential hazards include quarter-size hail. Again, the National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County, concluding at 8:40 p.m. tonight. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
Okay. Back to Fox News.
National Weather
Quiet.
Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grimes County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Burleson County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazos County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Washington County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, west central Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern College Station, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include College Station, Bryan, Navasota, Washington, Snook, Milliken, Anderson, Todd Mission, Kylefield, Dubbin, Dacus, Plantersville, Wellborn, Romans Prairie, Richards, and Carlos. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your local